What's up, Skate fam? Welcome to the official Deez Skates holiday episode. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Grab your hot chocolate and marshmallows, hang your stockings, and curl up by the fire. Let's get ready for the best time of the year. That's right, it's the best time of the year for our favorite activity, skating. There are lights in the city and people everywhere. Everyone is happy, and people are generally much nicer than any other time of the year. The music is beautiful, and I play it from early November all the way into January. The holidays, to me, are just fantastic. My favorite thing about it is being able to skate at night with all the Christmas lights around. I just feel like being out and dancing in the cold weather with all the colors and art. So this year, I decided to take a trip to Dallas and scope out where I'll be moving soon. While I was there, I looked up the best places in the city to find Christmas light displays and decided to make a stop by one of my favorite downtown spots, Clyde Warren Park. As luck would have it, I rolled up on a big celebration involving the lighting of a huge Christmas tree. Man, I just love the holidays. I can't even express it. I also went to a local rink with Jeff, and we ran into a bunch of fans of the channel. It was great to hear in person just what people like about Deez Skates, and very inspiring to know that I can just stop at a rink and run into people who have learned from the tutorials I've made here. It's really the best Christmas gift that I could ask for. As we close out this year, I want to take a moment to thank every one of you for watching and supporting my videos. I've only come this far because of you, and I truly hope you have a happy holidays this year. Things are a little hectic for me right now with all the planning and moving going on, but in 2020, I should be settled in and ready to start building more tutorials. So cheers to you. Throw your skates on, get out, explore the lit up city at night, spend time with your loved ones, and most of all, be happy. Also stick around for a while if you'd like to enjoy the rest of the footage that I put together here for you. Thanks for coming, Skate fam, and I'll see you the next time I lace up.